Very good morning, students. So, today we are going to start the last chapter of your practical portion, and the chapter is use of computer in data processing and mapping. So, students, nowadays it is in trend. We are, making all the work very easy. So, here we'll get to know how we can use computer in data processing and for mapping. So what can a computer do? So computer is an electronic device. As you all know, it consists of various subsystem like memory, microprocessor, input system, output system. So all these system work together, and according to this it forms a, to make easy for people to do work on the computer. So computer is a fast and versatile machine that can perform simple arithmetic operations, like when you have to do calculations and all. So easily you can do this work in computer easily, right? So complex mathematical formula. So it also performed simple logical operations, distinguishing zero from non-zero, right? So here uh, are some, it makes your job extremely fast. In this time we in less time we have to do a lot of work in the on the same time. So the following advantages, we have advantages of computer which make it distinct from the manual method. So first is, it substantially increase the speed of the computation and data processing. Okay, increase the speed. And second is, it can handle huge volume of data. बहुत सारा जो डेटा है उसको एक साथ क्या कर सकता है, हैंडल कर सकता है, विच इज़ नॉर्मली नॉट पॉसिबल मैनुअली you cannot when you are making records of lots of data, so it is not easy to keep the record. It facilitates copy, edit, save and retrieve the data at will. और इसी को आप क्या कर सकते हो, उसमें कॉपी कर सकते हो, एडिटिंग कर सकते हो, पेस्टिंग कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. And further enables validation, checking and correction of data easily. And you can, tally data in easy way through the computer. Aggregation and analysis of data become extremely simple, very simple on this computer, and it makes it very easy to perform comparatively analysis, whether by drawing map or graphs. So we can compare datas to each other very easily. Six is type of graphs of map, right? Like bar diagram, pie charts, these type of, shaded, heading, indexing and other formats can be changed very easily. Suppose if you have done any mistakes in shade or any color or any bar and pie, so you can easily uh, can done correction. So there are many other advantages that computer offers, but that you will observe yourselves while carrying out your practical work using a computer. So it's really very important, student, and this time most of the people know, even a student, a small child also know how to operate computer. Next is hardware. Hardware, students, hardware configuration and software requirements. So here, student, in computer we mostly do through the two ways, work through the two ways. From one is hardware, another one is software. So what is hardware, student? The hardware components of computer include, so in hardware what we know about the hardware, here we can see a central processing unit, CPU. Okay, that is a storage system. Second is graphic display subsystem, some of the graphic display you can see. So hardware, especially when we get to know about the machines and all. Third is input device and fourth is output device. Central processing unit and storage system. So the core of modern computers consist of the central processing unit. जब आप छोटे क्लासेस में अपने कंप्यूटर चैप्टर जब आईटी वगैरह आपने पढ़ी होगी तो उसमें भी ये पढ़ा होगा कि कैसे इससे जो है ये सीपीयू वर्क करता है. सीपीयू इज़ लाइक अ ब्रेन of computer. Okay, so which facilitates the execution of program, how to जितना भी execute होता है program computer में, according to this it controls actually the data, all the data controls by the CPU. and all the data together with the operating system and the application program occupy space in disk storage unit system, which functions as working memory, right? So these all you have to know, like range 1 GB 4 GB. In the cell phone also we are using the memory card and all, and CD, disk, floppy. We are mostly using floppy disk, CD. Sometimes we use PD also, pen drive, right? Next is graphic display system or monitor. So this is monitor, student, screen of computer. A graphic display system or monitor serves as the user's prime usual communication medium in all computers. High resolution display करता है, ठीक है, and lookup table, colors you can see on the display, right? Graphic and mapping application, whatever you can see on the screen, it is a graphic display system. Next is input device. So what is input device, student? Input is a device like the keyboard which we are using to type. Keyboard is an important input device that resembles with a typewriter. It has various keys for different purpose, like cursor, enter, everything you can follow from this keyboard. Okay, next is output device. The output device include a variety of printers. Outputs means whatever we are typing on the computer through the through the keyboard, and you can see on the screen on the monitor. And then when we have the hard copy of this, that time we use printer. So printer is as a output device, and the plotters that are available in the different size ranging from the A3 to A0. Okay, so sizes we are also using in this output device. Clear? Next is software. So software is students, software is a written program that is stored in a memory. It performs a specific function as per the instruction given by the user. A data processing and mapping software requires the following modules. First is data entry and editing modules. Second is coordinate, transformation and manipulation modules. Third is data display and output module. So what is data entry and editing modules? So in this inbuilt modules is the data processing and mapping software facilitate the data entry, right? So here mostly we are using some of the app also, like there are some packages such as MS Excel, spreadsheet. Spreadsheet in MS Excel ये एक ही चीज़ है. Lotus 1 2 3 and D. So here we are using these apps. Through this we can save the data and enter the data. Coordinate, transformation and manipulation modules. So the present day software provide a wide range of capabilities used to create layers of spatial data. Coordinate, transformation, editing, linking spatial data sets with the related non-spatial attributes of data. Third is data display and output modules. तो ये क्या है यहाँ पे? Data display output operations vary over a range of function, are very much dependent on the skills developed in the field of computer graphics. Some of the common capabilities that the present day software is provided. So these are the some software. And here we'll discuss, students, there are some present day softwares provided, like zooming, windowing to display of selected areas and scale changes operation, color assignments, change operations. Third is three-dimensional and perspective display, selective display of various themes, polygon, shading, line, styling, point marker display, output device, interference command for interfacing the plotter device, printers, graphic user, एक graphical कोर्स भी होता है इसमें. नेक्स्ट इज कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर फॉर योर use. So this will discuss in the next video. Till that time, students, thank you so much and keep on watching this. This is the first part of this chapter, and from this chapter, students, we are not having any diagram, but yes, here you will get to know how I can use the computer for making mapping and drawing. Thank you so much, student.